$10,000 sounds like an impossible number when you are living paycheck to paycheck. But here is what most people never realize. Reaching your first $10,000 in savings is not about earning more money. It is about following a specific sequence of steps in the right order. Skip a step and you stall out. Follow them in order and the number becomes inevitable. Today we are breaking down the exact step-by-step plan, the same one financial planners use with their clients to go from zero to your first $10,000 saved. No complicated investing, no risky schemes, just a clear sequence anyone can follow regardless of their income. Welcome back to Plain English Guide, where we break down real financial information in plain English. If you have ever felt like saving money is impossible on your income, stick around. This plan works at almost any income level. Let's get into the steps. Before we get into the steps, if stories and guides like this actually help you, hit subscribe right now. It takes 2 seconds and means you will not miss the next Plain English Guide. Okay, let's get into the 7 steps. Step 1. Calculate your real number. Before saving anything, you need to know exactly what comes in and what goes out every month. Pull up your last 3 months of bank statements. Add up every single expense, rent, food, subscriptions, transportation, everything. Most people who think they cannot save have simply never actually looked at the real numbers. Once you have your real number, subtract your expenses from your income. Whatever is left, even if it is small, is your starting savings capacity. If the number is negative or close to zero, do not panic. That just means step 2 becomes even more important for you. Step 2. Find your hidden leaks. Most people have between $50 and $200 a month leaking out through subscriptions and services they forgot they signed up for. Streaming services they do not watch, app subscriptions on autopay, unused gym memberships. Go through your bank statement line by line and cancel anything you have not used in the last 30 days. This single step alone often frees up $100 to $150 a month for most people without changing their actual lifestyle at all. That is $1,200 to $1,800 a year, found simply by paying attention to where money was already disappearing unnoticed. Here is a real example of how this looks in practice. Someone earning $40,000 a year discovers they are paying for 3 streaming services they barely use, a forgotten gym membership, and a subscription box they signed up for once and forgot about. Combined, that is $130 a month, over $1,500 a year, found without earning a single extra dollar. Step 3. Automate before you can spend it. This is the single most important habit in this entire plan. Set up an automatic transfer that moves money from your checking account to a separate savings account the same day your paycheck arrives, even if it is only $20 to start. The key word is automatic. Removing the decision removes the temptation. Keep your savings account at a completely different bank than your checking account if possible. The slight inconvenience of transferring money back creates just enough friction to stop impulsive withdrawals while still keeping your money accessible for genuine emergencies. Step 4. Install the 48-hour rule. Wait 48 hours before any non-essential purchase over $50. This is not about restriction. It is about removing impulse from the equation entirely. Most impulse purchases lose their appeal within a day or two once the initial dopamine hit fades. If after 48 hours you still genuinely want the item and it fits your budget, buy it without guilt. This rule is not designed to eliminate spending entirely. It is designed to make sure every purchase is intentional rather than reactive. Studies show this single habit alone can reduce unnecessary spending by 20 to 30%. The 48-hour rule works because of something psychologists call hedonic adaptation. The excitement of buying something new fades faster than most people expect, often within a day or two. By building in that waiting period, you are not depriving yourself. You are simply letting that initial excitement settle before committing your money to it. Step 5. Add one small income stream. Once your spending is under control, even a modest side income accelerates everything. This does not need to be complicated. Selling unused items around your home, a few hours of freelance work weekly, driving for a delivery app on weekends. The goal is not replacing your main income, it is adding fuel to your savings specifically. Critically, every dollar from this side income should go directly into your savings account, completely separate from your regular budget. Do not let it blend into your everyday spending. This is the accelerant that can cut your timeline to $10,000 by months, sometimes years, depending on how consistently you apply it. If you've made it this far, you are clearly someone serious about actually building savings. That is exactly the kind of person this channel is made for. Subscribe now if you have not already, because the next guide drops Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. Step 6. Track milestones, not just the final number. $10,000 can feel impossibly far away when you are starting from zero. Break it into smaller milestones instead. $500, then $1,000, then $2,500, then $5,000. Celebrate each one. Momentum built from small wins is what carries people through the harder middle stretch of any savings goal. Many savings apps now let you set visual milestone trackers, a progress bar that fills up as you save. Use one. Seeing tangible progress, even in small increments, keeps motivation alive during months where progress feels slow. Step 7. Choose the right account. Once you have momentum, where you keep your money matters. A standard checking account often earns close to zero interest. A high-yield savings account, widely available online, currently earns significantly more, turning your saved money into money that is quietly growing on its own, while you continue contributing. This step alone will not get you to $10,000 by itself, but on a growing balance over a year or more, the difference becomes meaningful. It costs nothing to switch and takes about 10 minutes to set up online. There is no good reason not to do this once your basic savings habit is established. Let us put the whole plan together. Calculate your real numbers, cut hidden leaks, automate your savings, apply the 48-hour rule, add one small income stream, track milestones along the way, choose a high-yield account. None of these steps individually feels dramatic, but stacked together and applied consistently, they compound into real, measurable progress toward your first $10,000. There is no perfect income level required to start this plan. There is only the decision to begin today, instead of waiting for a better moment that may never come. Hit subscribe for more plain English guides every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See you Wednesday. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a qualified financial advisor for your specific situation.